Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I have something special. I do have a limited edition SEIKO. It's a special edition watch, and we're going to go over that in some detail. But before we get started, I just wanted to shout out to my subscribers and say thank you guys so much for helping me with this channel. All of your likes, comments, subscribes, everything. You guys are making this world go around for me, and I could not thank you more. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, please consider giving thumbs up and subscribing. Like and subscribe, as it does help the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick one of these watches up for yourself if you like them. If you have any questions about any of the watches shown on the table here or any of the watches I review, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer that for you. So without further ado, let's get into this and check out this beautiful SEIKO special edition watch. This is a version of the PROSPEX, which is also commonly known as the SEIKO Monster. This is a Blue Monster version, but it is a special edition Blue Monster. What makes it a special edition is that it actually supports Save the Ocean Foundation conservation efforts. It is a wonderfully designed watch with a dial that is supposed to represent ice, and if you look at it over on the 8 o'clock to the 10 o'clock position, you'll see those little penguin footprints over there, which are a really nice touch to this watch. Guys, I can't even describe how nice this dial actually looks. It looks so much better in person than it even does on this video. So if you like it on the video, you'll definitely like it in person. When I received this watch, I was very excited to receive it. And when I finally did receive it, I was just amazed by it. It is just a beautiful watch. So basically, it is the SEIKO PROSPEX SRPG57. It has 200 meters of water resistance with Hardlex crystal. This watch does have 41 hours power reserve. It is an automatic, self-winding automatic. This watch is regularly $525 on the SEIKO website. This watch is currently available for under $390 right now. But like I said before, it is a limited edition, special edition watch, so I'm not sure how long it's actually going to last. So if you do like it, you're going to want to click on that affiliate link and head on over to Amazon and pick it up. But once again, very nice watch, nice tight bezel on this thing, very satisfying movement, just a really nice watch all around. This bezel loses no time. It's a solid bezel, no back play, no wobbling on it, nothing. Very tight band. This thing is just an amazing quality watch. It has the safety clasp with the signature on the safety clasp, push button release, wonderfully crafted watch. It's just a beautiful watch all around. You will not be dissatisfied with this watch. And I know this does come out of the budget-friendly price range just a bit compared to some of the watches that I do review on this channel. But guys, for the price, you're saving almost $150 on this thing if you buy it on Amazon right now. And that's, you know, the retail price on this thing is $525 on the SEIKO website. I think it might even say it. No, I don't know. Does it say it on the box? Yeah, it says it right on the box, guys. This thing's regularly $525. But it is a beautiful watch, very well crafted. If you know anything about SEIKO watches, you know that they are just amazing. They're well crafted watches. They have very great time. The timekeeping on their movements is just amazing. This one has the caliber 4R36 SEIKO movement on it with the date, day and date format, sweeping second hand. Just a beautiful watch all around. And I'm gonna have to tell you guys, I absolutely love this watch. It is just amazing. If you know, my favorite watch in my collection is probably this Pagani design, but this is a really good second for this watch, or for my favorite. I really just love the watch. I will actually post a link to this in the description below also, just in case you're interested in this watch. It's just an amazing watch by Pagani Design. But anyway, the star of the show here is this PROSPEX, the SEIKO PROSPEX Monster Penguin Dial watch. Just an amazing watch with just outstanding quality all around. I'm not sponsored by SEIKO. I just love this watch. I mean, I'm not, if I didn't like it, I would say I didn't like it, but this is a great watch, guys. Definitely, if you're interested, pick one of these guys up. I will post a link in the description below so you can do that. If you have any questions about this watch, leave those in the comment section below so I can answer those questions. And if you want to check out some of my other videos, head on over and check those out. I will have some more reviews coming in the next week or so. I've got a lot more shipments coming in, more watches, some unboxing videos, and some more reviews on other watches. So if you do like to see these watches, like I said before, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you like to see these watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here. You can check out my other channel, Rumble. I am Dave the Watchman on Rumble also, and I do cross post, so you will see some videos on the Rumble channel that you won't see here, and you will see some videos here that you won't see there, vice versa. So if you are interested in that, head on over. If you want to check out the website, it's themselves.To, and I do have links to all the watches I've reviewed and some watches of interest, just in case you want to pick any of those up. But like I said before, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, thumbs up. Until next time, I am Dave, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. You guys have a great weekend. Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here. I'm coming at you with another watch contest. Today I'm going to be giving away 2 watches, not one, but 2 watches. Very beautiful homage watches of a higher end luxury brand. Wonderful, wonderful watches. One is a dive watch, the other one is a GMT bezel watch. Very, very nice. 24-hour bezel on this one, dive bezel on this one. Great watches, good quality. One by Arlanc and the other one by Liege. Wonderful watches. In order to win the contest, I'm going to need 1,000 subscribers in total by June 30th, 2024 at midnight. I need you all to post in all capital letters, "great video," in the comment section below, followed by hashtag Dave the Watchman. So, great video in all capital letters, hashtag Dave the Watchman, and that will enter you into this contest. Then I need you to share this with as many people as possible, because if I reach 1,000 subscribers by June 30th, 2024 at midnight, I will have a random drawing, and one lucky subscriber is going to walk away with both of these watches. You will need to be a current subscriber in order to be eligible to win these watches. Once again, 1,000 subscribers in total by June 30th, 2024, or there will be no drawing. You will need to be a current subscriber, and I need you to post "great video" in all capital letters in the comment section below, followed by hashtag Dave the Watchman, and you will be entered for the drawing to win these watches.